In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your age on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Instagram profile. After that, tap right here at these three lines. And then at the very top, tap at Account Center. Once you are at Meta Account Center, here at Account Settings, tap at Personal Details. And then you will be taken to the page where you can easily find your current birthday here. If we tap on it, we'll be able to hit right here at this button to edit our birthday in that simple way. Now we can change month, day, and year. And then to continue and to apply the changes, all you have to do is just hit right here at Save. Keep in mind that this birthday is used for the accounts and profiles in this Meta Account Center, and any changes you make will apply to all of your accounts. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.